Hi all, welcome to BIAS Academy, Science and Technology Audio Notes for Prelims and Mains, Unit 2, Part 3, Chapter 5, 107th Indian Science Congress. The topics which we are going to cover are theme of 107th Indian Science Congress. The theme is Science and Technology, Rural Development. And the next topic is highlights, objective, significance of the Congress. How will science and technology boost rural development? India's global position in science and technology, and how to harness science and technology to enable economic growth. These are the topics which we are going to cover. So let's start with our topic. The 107th Indian Science Congress was inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Jan 3rd, 2019 at the University of Sciences in Bengaluru. So you might get a prelims question that where was it held? It was held in Bengaluru on January 3rd, 2019. 2019, January 3rd, Bengaluru, 107th Indian Science Congress. Okay, the Prime Minister said that India's growth story depends on its achievements in science and technology sector, and he also reiterated that the needs to revolutionize the landscape of Indian science and technology innovation. Our Prime Minister gave the motto, innovate, patent, produce and prosper to young scientists in the country, saying that these 4 steps will lead India to faster development. What is it? What is the motto of this? Innovate, patent, produce, prosper. IPP, IP cube, that's it. IPP, innovate, patent, produce, prosper. For example, you have innovated a new idea. So once you innovate it, you go to the patent office and register your patent there. Once you patent it, then you start producing it in the warehouse or the factory. And once you innovate, patent and start producing your equipment or service, then you prosper. Okay, the Prime Minister stated that the innovation for people and by the people is direction for New India. Remember these quotes which you can use in your essays. The quote is, innovation for the people and by the people is the direction of New India. Innovation for the people and by the people is the direction of New India. Okay. What is the theme of 107th Indian Science Congress? It is Science and Technology, Rural Development. Science and Technology, Rural Development. The main key highlights are, as we said, it was held in Agricultural Sciences University at Bengaluru. It's a 5-day summit which is witnessed by the participation of several policymakers, scientists, academicians, inventors and politicians across the world. 2 Nobel Prize winners, Stephen Hell and Ada Yonath, are expected to attend the Congress. What was the objective? It aims to bridge the gap between farmer and technology developers. Many of the innovations have helped in enhancing market access, crop productivity, and diversifying rural livelihood profiles. However, the gap between the farmers and innovators has resulted in only partial exploration of benefits. The main objective is to bridge the gap between farmer and technology developer. Okay. So what is the significance of 107th Indian Science Congress, which is held at University of Agricultural Sciences, Bengaluru on January 3rd, 2019? What is the significance of it? It will provide the desired platform to farmers who introduce innovations in agriculture. So it will provide a platform to the farmers which will introduce them to the innovations in agriculture. Okay. Let's talk about iSTEM portal. What is STEM means? Science and Technology, Engineering. Facilities Map. Science and Technology and Engineering Facilities Map. iSTEM means Indian Science and Technology Engineering Facilities Map. During the inauguration of this 107th Indian Science Congress, Prime Minister launched the iSTEM portal. The portal has been designed to be the gateway for researchers to locate a specific type of facility they require to conduct their research and development work in India. For example, if you are a scientist or a researcher, you want to conduct a specific type of research. For that, you need a location or a facility, lab. Okay. So using this portal, you can locate the facility which is required to conduct your research and development. Good. So how will this science and technology boost rural development in India? The Prime Minister has highlighted that the science and technology has played a significant role in helping the government programs reaching the needy. He also stated that the science and technology is a level playing field by making opportunities accessible to all the members of the society, and it also plays a unifying role in the society. Next is, he highlighted how developments in information and communication technology have led to the production of cheaper smartphones and availability of cheaper data, which has made it accessible to everyone in the country. Earlier, for smartphones and internet data were considered to be a privilege that was only to the limited people of India. Now everybody has access to it, everybody has a smartphone and access to good and cheaper data. Okay? And the third point is, the wider internet connectivity has brought the common man closer to the government and provided an opportunity for anyone and everyone to make his or voice heard. The Prime Minister further said that the new India needs technology and logical temperament to give a new direction to the socio-economic sectors. Fourth point is, he urged the young scientists in India to work in the field of rural development, as there are several opportunities for cheaper and better innovations. And next we'll see at India's global position in science and technology. India currently stands at third position in globe in number of peer-reviewed science and engineering publications. Coming to publications, India stands third globally. Next, India is also growing at a rate of 10% in this sector in comparison to the global average of 4%. So, at what percent India is growing? 10%. India also improved its ranking in the Innovation Index with its 52nd rank this time. What is the rank of India this time? 52nd, 5-2. The central government programs have created more incubators in the last 5 years than in the previous 50 years. Okay. Then harnessing a technology to enable growth. The Union government is aiming to harness technology at a wider scale to achieve the objectives of good governance, especially in the area of cost-effective agriculture and farming to consumer supply chain. The role of Aadhaar-enabled technology, geotagging, data science in the timely completion of several rural and urban projects. This also has to be considered. Besides the digitization, the advent of e-commerce, the internet and the mobile bank has played a huge role in development. Technical solutions also be checked out for the issues such as stock burning, groundwater management, prevention of communicable diseases and environmental friendly. So basically speaking, in December, November in Delhi, there is a problem of air pollution, which you might have seen a lot of articles in the newspaper and you might have listened in news. So what we're talking here is they want to provide a technical solutions for issues like stock burning and then groundwater management and then prevention of communicable diseases and also solving environmental friendly transportation. Prime Minister also reiterated that science and technology and innovations in this sector will play a huge role in leading India towards its goal of achieving 5 trillion economy. Okay, and this year, the Indian Science Congress has a special focus on rural development through science and technology. To boost this, for the first time, Congress includes Farmer Science Congress, and other events include Children's Science Congress, Women's Science Congress, and former Vice Chancellor's Science Congress. So you have to remember from your prelims perspective, for the first time, the 107th Indian Science Congress, which is held at University of Agricultural Sciences, Bangalore on January 3rd, 2019, for the first time introduced or included Farmers Science Congress. Whose Congress? Farmers Science Congress, because the theme is Science and Technology Rural Development. Okay, let's recap the entire session what we have seen. We have started with 107th Indian Science Congress. Where was it held? Bangalore, you're right. And the year and the date is January 3rd, 2019, and the theme is Science and Technology, Rural Development. Who participated in this? Scientists, policymakers, academicians, inventors, politicians for the 5-day summit. Objective of the Science Congress is to bridge the gap between innovations or the farmers and bridge the gap between farmers and technology developers. Good. And then we have talked about significance, that is iSTEM portal. What is STEM? Science and Technology Engineering Facilities Map. iSTEM means Indian Science and Technology Engineering Facilities Map. What is this portal? This iSTEM portal has been designed to be the gateway for researchers to locate a specific type of facility they require to conduct their research and development. Good. So how will this science and technology boost rural development? Because science and technology will be a level playing field and bring in opportunities accessible to all, and it also acts as a unifier in the society. Through technology is accessible. Science and technology has led to the production of cheaper phones and availability of cheaper data, which is accessible to everyone in the country. First of all, it used to be a privilege, now it is available to all. And this has brought the wider internet connectivity, or the initiative through Digital India has brought common man closer to the government and provided an opportunity for anyone or everyone to make his or her voice heard. It also helps in building logical temperament and gives us a new direction to the socio-economic sectors as well. It also provides several opportunities in the rural development sector. What is India's global position in science and technology? It is in third position globally in number of peer-reviewed science and engineering publications. The growth rate is at 10%. As per Innovation Index, the ranking is at 52nd, that is 5-2, 52nd rank in Innovations Index. And then many incubators have been developed. So how to harness this technology to enable economic growth? A wider scale participation to achieve these objectives in good governance, especially bringing or developing cost-effective agriculture and enabling farmers in the supply chain. The role of geotagging, data science in several urban and rural projects. Besides digitization, advent of e-commerce and mobile banking all have helped. And then we have seen in the background for the first time, it has included Farmer Science Congress. Okay, we'll end our class today. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.